Um, okay, testing, testing. Great. Okay, we are live right now. Welcome to the 25th of July, 2022. Asian streams. Okay, before we do anything, we're gonna go to our chats. Gonna go to our chats and see what's happening. Actually, let's check Forex Factory to see if you have any high impact news that came out recently. Nothing, nothing. I want to check the calendar. Usually it's pretty much Asian session right now. So the US is cold. Checking on bank holidays. We don't have any bank holidays today. We don't really don't have any high impact news coming out later tonight for USD too. So I think we have a good clean price action day starting Asian session all throughout London session. Pretty much gonna have a good price action day all throughout to NY session unless we have some significant news coming out. So with that being said, we're gonna go straight to our chats, clean out our chats. The 4 time frame. We're gonna start on the higher time frames. Let's see what's happening on the higher time frames. So basically, we're gonna start on the weekly first. Let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, last week's candle closed bullish. Let's see. I think we've respected the support level area just a little bit above the 1700. We never really closed below the 1700. Tapped into see the 1600, but came back up and closed above 1700. That's on the weekly time frame. So we're kind of retracing right now based on the daily time frame, pushing down a little bit. I think we're bound to do a retracement potentially coming up on the higher time frame. So overall bias is bullish on the higher time on the weekly time frame. That is looking at the daily time frame. I think we have potential to drive bullish at this point, just as long as we don't break the previous daily candle low. But looking to the left, we have respected this resistance area right over here on the daily time frame at 736. We have last Friday's candle really working above this resistance area, really retracing back, closing back in the range over here. Now we have the current daily candle pushing bearish at the moment. Um, Potentially coming down to potentially retest 1712 area, which is our most recent previous resistance area, which might potentially turn into support level. Retest of this level because this was a resistance area that we broke out of on Thursday, last week Thursday. So we'll see how that plays out. With that being said, we're currently moving bearish at the moment, dropping down to the 4 time frame. Just trying to see what's happening on the 4 time frame. Based on last week's data, we can see that we have really broken out of this resistance level at 1720. So we could potentially come the previous 4 hour candle, which is last week's Friday's candle really retested 1720 before pushing bullish. So we're not sure if we're trying to retest 1720 before pushing bullish at the moment. I think our bias for this session overall is bullish. So we're gonna see and wait for confirmations to go bullish based on the higher time frames. So potentially come out to retest this support level at 1729, 1730 area right over there. So we'll see how that plays out during this session. I think with that being said, we have this forward candle closing in the next 30 minutes. If we can close above 1720, uh, right here. I think if we can close above 1720, then we have a high probability of moving bullish. So we'll really see how that plays out. Hey, Meheri, good morning, bro. How are you? How are you today? With that being said, really gonna drop down now to the lower time frame, see if we can get any entries. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, I think we probably have a little bit of juice to potentially drive a little bit further bullish. I mean, sorry, bearish. We can see on the we can see on the 1 hour time frame really breaking below this support level area. The support level at 1723 500 right here. 1723 500. So, looking to the left, we have clean traffic coming down all the way to this support level just a little bit above 17, 16, 20 over here. So, um, this is how many pips away? So, this is like 50 pips away. We could potentially have some sales coming into this area, but not too sure at this point. I think overall, I'm very bullish bias on the higher time frames. But looking at the lower time frames and looking at how this candle is about to close, I think we could have some potential bullish plays coming in at this point. Yeah, I'm just gonna move this to a different window so I can have both charts up. Yeah. Looking at the 30-minute time frame now. See what's happening on a 30-minute time frame. Um, Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we are fast approaching this minor support level on a 30-minute time frame, but I'm not too sure if it's gonna hold. It's just a little bit above 1721 300 right over here. Cheese Mehedi, run, but run. Welcome to the streams, my brother. How are you today? There's a lot of shit going on in Pop Speed right now. Hope you're safe. Hope you're well out there. There's a lot of animals running around this place. Please take care out there, my brother. What's happening, family? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all doing good. Yeah, bro. I flew back in yesterday from Papanera, bro. Like, really didn't want to come back, but my family was here, so I had to. Really don't want to be here any longer, to be honest. Save up number one. Move go to country number one. Let's all business around stuff. I'm Harry. Thank you, brother. Thank you for tuning into the streams, guys. Appreciate it. Ronald, anything on those watch lists or what? Need some free money. Ronald has three things on his watch list. Thank you, brother Ronald. Thank you, thank you. Cheers, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into the streams. I think overall, I'm looking at gold. I think overall, I see gold pushing bullish, but right now the daily time frame, the 1 hour, everything's pushing bearish right now. So it might take some temporary sales for now, but we'll see how it plays out. But otherwise, I'm definitely looking for entries to go long. Not really too confident taking sales at the moment, but looking to the 1 hour time frame, we have clean traffic to the left on the 1 hour time frame. That's why.